Happy morning or afternoon or evening. Welcome to Hatzel trailer. You know, Hatzel stands for Happy Abundance through simple leveraging. Let's have fun. Let's watch this video series with happiness and as a family. The first pillar we are going to talk about is occupation.
I get easily irritated by some people and situations. Can you help me?
Thanks Arvindan for this lovely question. You are a very bright, sweet teenager. The simplest thing you can do is Hansi Mudra. Hansi Mudra is gently connecting the tip of the thumb, the tip of the middle finger, ring finger and the little finger. And excellent feedback has come from my mentees saying that they are able to control not only the irritation but also a lot of negative emotions through this. So happy about it. The second pillar is prosperity. Let me give you a very simple story on this. It seems a young man took his nephew, 3-year-old kid, to an ice cream parlor and he got him an ice cream. And as they were coming out, the child could not balance the ice cream, the cone on the ice cream. So it dropped the ice cream and the child cried, "I want one more ice cream." Obviously, the young man felt that the child deserved that ice cream, so he went inside. But this time the child saw a 3-scoop ice cream and it cried. Child said that, "I want that ice cream." Now you tell me, if you are the young man, will you get the 3-scoop ice cream or not? You know, many people reply emotionally saying that I will get, but many smart people like you will definitely say I will not get the 3-scoop ice cream, because the child cannot balance a single scoop ice cream. How will it manage the 3-scoop ice cream? That is how the infinite intelligence always thinks. If you cannot manage the existing resources well, how will you manage the additional resources the infinite intelligence can give you? So the lesson for us from this lovely story is to manage our existing resources exceedingly well. Now how do you do that? Very simple. The first thing you need to do, pay yourself first. 2, preferable, have a financial advisor. 3, very important, do what is called need analysis of the expenses. The third pillar is energy level. Let us see how we can leverage this. A very powerful, simple technique I have learned from a Mudra mentor, Vimal Galada, is this. Gently take your palms to a cushion chair like this and sit on your palms, palms up of course. And as you are sitting, you are going to be idle for some time, and you can do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Of course, instead of watching TV during this idle time, you can recall some of your positive happenings in the past, or instead you can even visualize a very bright future for you. The fourth pillar is leveraging the work-life balance.
How can I improve my memory and mental agility?
Thanks Srinidhi for this lovely question. You are a very sweet kid. You know, to improve your long-term memory, do Jnana Mudra. Jnana Mudra is gently connecting the tip of the thumb with the tip of the index finger. Gently touch and do this for about 10 minutes every day. And to improve your short-term memory, what is short-term memory? Just write the examination and afterwards don't remember anything what you studied. It's called short-term memory. Use the acupressure point ST36. And to improve your mental agility, practice Hayagriva Mudra. I will in detail explain ST36 and Hayagriva Mudra. On the lighter side of leveraging, it seems there was a smart driver. This driver was driving for a very senior executive of a corporate organization. And one day, this smart executive decided that he would save fuel by driving to the office without switching the AC on. So the driver, following the commands of the master, took the executive without AC. And after 3 months, the executive observed that the fuel consumption has not come down. And later on he found out the driver, after dropping the executive on his way back home, he put on the AC and enjoyed. Wonderful thing about this Hatzel is keep asking many questions, because infinite intelligence will answer the questions through me and our advisory committee. Thank you so much.